Want your home to feel more connected, convenient, and futuristic? These viral Amazon smart home gadgets are designed to streamline your day, cut down on stress, and make everyday tasks practically effortless. From lighting to security to organization, each one helps optimize your routine with just a tap or a voice command. All the products are linked in the description below. Coffee nerds, this one's for you. This electric Gooseneck Kettle gives you barista-level control at home. Heat water to the exact degree you want, fast. Schedule your boil, set a hold mode, and even track your brew time right on the screen. The precision spout delivers a smooth, steady pour for perfect extraction every time. From coffee to tea, it's control and elegance in one sleek design. Tired of battling wrinkles with a tiny iron? This digital steam press makes laundry day feel like magic. It heats up fast and blasts out steam across an extra-large surface, smoothing everything in seconds. Multiple fabric settings let you handle anything from delicate silks to heavy linens with confidence. A built-in water filter keeps it running strong, and safety locks make it worry-free. Big results, minimal effort. Who needs a crowded gym when you've got this beast at home? This smart AI-powered machine packs a squat rack, Smith machine, cables, and more, all in one sleek setup. It adjusts resistance digitally and even gives real-time feedback for safer, smarter gains. Built-in programs guide you like a personal trainer. Full-body workouts, zero guesswork. Your entire fitness journey, right in your living room. Meet the cleaning crew you didn't know you needed. This smart robot vac not only vacuums but also mops with a powerful hydrojet system. It scrubs floors, washes its own mop, and even dries it so there's zero mess left behind. The self-emptying and refilling feature means less work for you. From carpets to corners, it handles it all, while you sit back and relax. Why settle for an ordinary nightstand when you can have one that floats? This smart bedside table keeps your floor clear and your gadgets charged. It has wireless charging plus USB and Type-C ports, so no more cable chaos. A built-in LED light with 3 color options sets the perfect mood. Sleek, modern, and space-saving, it's a serious upgrade for your bedroom. Ready to BBQ like a pro without hovering over the grill? This smart wood pellet smoker does it all. Grills, smokes, bakes, and more with authentic wood-fired flavor. Its AI assistant helps you pick recipes, adjusts temps automatically, and keeps everything on track. Whether you're slow smoking ribs or searing steaks, it nails the heat every time. Big capacity, rugged build, and total control right from your phone. This isn't just a scale, it's your personal health dashboard. Step on and track 16 different metrics, from weight and BMI to muscle mass and heart rate. The 3D virtual body model shows real progress, not just numbers. Sync it with your favorite fitness apps for seamless tracking. It even has modes for babies and pets, so the whole family can stay on top of their goals. Ditch the blaring alarms and wake up the natural way. This smart sunrise clock mimics the morning light to gently ease you out of sleep, and it doubles as a sound machine with over 80 soothing sounds. Customize your bedtime routine with calming lights and audio for a screen-free wind-down. One button starts it all, no phone required. Sleep better, wake happier. Tired of guessing if your water is clean? this smart faucet filter does the work for you. It removes impurities, chlorine, and tiny particles, giving you fresh, clear water every time. The LED display shows water temperature and filter life, so you know exactly when to change it. Switch easily between filtered and regular water with a simple turn. Quick to install, and it fits most standard faucets with ease. Turn your living room into a spin studio. This stationary bike gives you a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its magnetic resistance system. Adjust the seat and handlebars for the perfect fit, then track your progress on the built-in display. Pair it with the app for guided workouts and virtual rides that keep you motivated. Strong, stable, and ready for any challenge. Just hop on and start pedaling toward your goals. Movie night just got a major upgrade. This portable projector brings a full cinema experience anywhere, backyard, campsite, or even your living room. It delivers sharp 1080p resolution on a massive screen and runs on a built-in battery, so no cords hold you back. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make streaming simple, and the powerful speakers fill the space with rich sound. Grab your snacks, it's showtime anywhere you want. Turn your space into a luxury retreat. This smart scent diffuser uses cold air technology to fill the room with a clean, even fragrance. No heat, no water, no mess. Control it right from your phone with Bluetooth and set the perfect schedule. It runs whisper quiet, so all you notice is the amazing aroma. Ideal for homes, offices, or anywhere you want to create a calm, inviting vibe. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This smart litter box cleans itself after every use, leaving fresh crystals ready for your cat. It even tracks your pet's bathroom habits through the app, so you can monitor their health. The crystal litter absorbs moisture and controls odors like a pro. Less mess, less smell, and more time for cuddles. It's the upgrade every cat parent needs. Meet your new kitchen command center. This smart display keeps your calendar, to-do lists, and reminders all in one place, so your day runs smoothly. Want entertainment? Stream your favorite shows with built-in Fire TV and enjoy crisp, vibrant visuals. It doubles as a photo frame when idle, showing off your best memories. Plus, you can control smart devices and make hands-free video calls. Everything, all on one screen. Your keys are officially outdated. This smart lock gives you 7 ways to unlock, fingerprint, code, app, auto unlock, and more. Control it from anywhere, share access with family, and check who comes and goes in real time. It even locks itself when you leave and unlocks as you arrive. Built tough, weatherproof, and Alexa ready, it's security that feels effortless. Feeling stressed, anxious, or just not sleeping well? This wearable is like a personal calm coach on your wrist. It uses AI-based biometric feedback to help you relax, improve focus, and boost mental performance. Each session gives you real insights so you can track your progress. Plus, it comes with a 12-month membership, so you're set for the year without any extra hassle. Tired of touching grimy lids? This smart trash can opens with just a wave of your hand. The motion sensor makes it totally touch-free, so your hands stay clean and your bathroom stays fresh. The lid closes quietly on its own, sealing in odors so the space always smells good. Its slim design fits perfectly in tight spots, making it ideal for bathrooms or small corners in your home. Cold coffee is the worst, right? This little gadget keeps your drink warm for hours while you work or relax. You can set the exact temperature you like and check it on the digital display, down to the degree. Just place your mug and it starts heating automatically. No more rushing to finish your drink. Every sip stays perfectly warm, just the way you love it. Walking through a dark hallway at night? No more stubbed toes. These plug-in night lights turn on automatically when it's dark and off when it's bright. The soft white glow is easy on your eyes and perfect for bedrooms, stairways, or kids' rooms. You can even dim the brightness to just the right level. Simple, stylish, and super handy for any space in your home. Tired of endless toilet paper rolls? This simple bidet attachment changes the game. It sprays with adjustable water pressure, giving you a clean and refreshing wash every time. There are 2 nozzles, one for front and one for rear, so everyone gets the perfect clean. The nozzles even clean themselves and hide away when not in use. Easy to install, no electricity needed, just fresh and hygienic comfort. Wrinkled clothes? Not a problem anymore. This standing garment steamer heats up in seconds and blasts powerful steam to smooth out even the toughest creases. You can use it on hanging clothes, flat ironing, or even delicate fabrics without worry. It has adjustable steam levels, a self-cleaning function, and wheels for easy movement. Say goodbye to ironing struggles and hello to crisp, fresh outfits every day. Give your blinds a brain without replacing them. This clever device clips onto your existing tilt rod and instantly makes your blinds smart. A built-in solar panel keeps the battery charged forever, so you never have to worry about plugging it in. The high-precision motor adjusts your blinds to the exact angle you want, even as little as 2 degrees, and the light sensor can do it automatically based on the sun. Control it with your phone, set timers, or connect to your smart assistant for hands-free shade wherever you are. Want to check on your furry friend while you're away? This smart pet camera does more than just watch, it moves. The 360-degree rolling design gives you full coverage without wires. You can talk to your pet, toss them a treat, or even play with the built-in laser from your phone. Clear video, night vision, and two-way audio keep you connected anytime. It's like being home, even when you're not.